In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize contacts in Attio. First, open Attio and head to your home screen. This is your starting point for navigating your workspace. From here, you'll see your key objects and the navigation menu. Next, open Records and choose People. The People view is your centralized contact database. Every individual your team has interacted with lives here. When your list gets long, filters are the fastest way to cut through the noise and focus on exactly what you need. Let's set a filter. Filters let you narrow the list based on fields like who created the record, ownership, tags, or lifecycle status. They don't change the data, they simply control what you're looking at, which makes them safe to experiment with. For this example, pick the Created by field. This is useful when you want to see contacts that were added by a specific teammate or by yourself. It's also a handy way to surface potential duplicates. For instance, if multiple people added the same contact, you can spot overlaps quickly and decide how to clean them up using your preferred deduplication process. When the filter condition appears, choose the operator labeled is. Operators define how the filter matches records. Using is means the field must exactly match the value you set, which keeps the results precise and predictable. Now select Current User as the value. Current User is a dynamic option that always refers to whoever is viewing the list. That way, every teammate automatically sees contacts they personally created without needing separate filters. It's perfect for shared views across a team. With the results looking good, save the view for everyone. Saving for everyone shares the filtered view with your workspace, so the whole team benefits from consistent organization. Consider giving the view a clear name so people know what they're looking at. If you want to adjust your criteria later, remove the filter by clicking Delete Filter. This only clears the filter from the view. It does not delete any contacts or data. You can then apply a different filter that better suits your workflow. Finally, once you've made your changes, save for everyone again, so the updated view is available to the whole team. That's it. You've learned how to navigate to people, apply a precise dynamic filter, and manage shared views for clean, reliable contact organization in Attio. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.